In last video, we have seen what is Firebase, its different services, and what are the benefits or what are the advantages of using it in mobile applications. Now in this lecture, we'll see how to set up Firebase in Android project and how we can use authentication or how we can use Firebase for a sign-up functionality. In most of the applications, we need to store user specific data or user information, and for this process, identifying user is very important. Now for this complete Firebase course, we are going to create one simple note application and we'll implement all these features into that note application so that you will get better idea how we can use them practically. So let's start creating our project. Let's give it name as FireNote app. This is your project's package name, and this is the location where you want to store that project. After creating this Android project, we also need to create one project in Firebase console, and we need to configure it so that we'll get that Google services JSON file which we want to use in our Android project. So let's see how we can create a project in Firebase console and how to configure it. So here you will open Firebase console. You need to log in there. Then for adding a new project, you need to click here, add project. Then here we need to specify a project name, that is FireNote app. Then select your country. And create project. So now this project is ready. This is the new project we have created in Firebase console. Now we need to set up a Firebase in our Android project. So we need to select here Android. Then applications package name, which is com.droidguru.firebase note app. This nickname is optional. Here we need to add this SHA1 fingerprint. Now let's see how we can get it. In Android Studio, you can see a gradle option here at the right top corner. So you need to click it. Then in this FireNote app directory, you will get one Android folder. Okay, just open it, and there you will see this signing report option. You need to click this report, and here you will get your SHA1 fingerprint. So you need to copy it, and then click on this register app. Now this is our application's configuration file, google services.json, which we need to copy in our root directory. So we need to download this file. And and we'll copy that file into our root directory. So we'll copy this file into the app folder. Let's rename it as Google Services.json. And this is the part where we need to add all the Firebase dependencies which are required for our application. So we'll add those dependencies later.